Learning, powered by Elegant Central Education and Research Center.
Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe, isn't it? Yes, very good. Today we will learn about special vehicles. What do you mean by special vehicles? Special vehicles are used for special purposes. The first one is ambulance. What is the use of ambulance? Let's watch the video. From this video, what we learn? Ambulance carry the injured lady to the hospital. In other words, ambulance used to carry sick people to the hospital. Next one is fire engine. What is the use of fire engine? Let's watch the video. Oh my God! The house caught fire. See? Fire engine is on the way. See what's happening? Fire engine splash the water to put out the fire. So, fire engine is used to put out the fire. Next one is mail van. What is the use of mail van? Let's see. It is used to transport the mails. That is, mail van is used for the transportation of mail. Next one is police van. What is the use of this vehicle? Let's see. A policeman is transporting the prisoner by using a police van to the prison. That is, police van is used to carry prisoners to the prison. Next one is tractor. Tractor is also a special vehicle. Let's see what it does. Farmers use this vehicle to plow the land, to grow the crops. That is, tractor is used for agricultural purposes. The last one is an interesting one. That is excavator. This also a special vehicle. Let's see its action. Oh, it can dig the land by using its machine hand. It's quite amazing. So, Excavator is used for digging purposes. So, let's sum up this lesson. We learned the special vehicles are ambulance, fire engine, mail van, police van, tractor and excavator. Hope you understood the use of special vehicles. If you have any doubt, repeat the video and study well. Good luck to all.